70 tour stands for two different things actually. 70 it stands for movies. Generally, when somebody is watching a movie, so they get excited about the stars and any song. These people will go to that particular locations. Any scenic locations behind them will always excite the audience actually. They will be always thinking, "Arey, what is this location is all about? And where is this beautiful location?" To answer that, there was no proper media which could properly convey that, okay, this is the location, this is where it was shot. So what we have done is we have created a platform where people can come and search for their favorite movies and get all the scenic locations that they are interested in. And any customer who wants to go to that particular location, they are just a click away. They just need to just send us an online inquiry and they will get their best deals actually. That is one part. Another part is we have brought all the branded tour operators in India onto a single platform. So what happens, by doing this? So how we are unique from the other portals, travel portals, is customer is getting benefited on this part, because if somebody wants to go to Thailand, so what happens is any individual has to go to different tour operators and find the best deals, and he has to probably work during his office hours, go to different operators, call them, take the best deal, then come to a conclusion. If the customer is coming to our website, he just has to pick Thailand and just say submit. So I'm going to give him all the prices from different operators. So based on the quality and based on the inclusions, exclusions, and what kind of hotels he is giving, customer should be able to do hassle-free booking on his own. And apart from that, anybody wants to probably customize, saying that, okay, I have an elderly person coming with me, we want an escorted tours or something like that. Yes, we do have that option. Customers have to just send us an inquiry. So in our website, we will be providing domestic holiday packages, international holiday packages, and also we have branded cruise liners all over the world, like all the 7 top cruise liners, Star Cruises, MSC Cruises, all of them in our website. If somebody wants to go on a cruise liner package, they can go. So this website is very much unique, it's in nature, by giving you the entertainment part of it and also the leisure part of it, which has, so we are trying to bring the synergy between these two, which never has happened in the world. This is one of its kind. It is coming up first time in the market actually. Currently what we are doing is we are currently releasing this product with Bollywood movies to start with. So we are working on in Tollywood, Collywood, and probably Sandalwood. And our vision is to probably reach the Hollywood. Probably it might take a year or so, but we do want to do that actually.